we've got, this is part of downtown Olympia, Washington. Good morning. And across the street here is the lot treatment facility where they treat waste. There's the Capitol over the buildings there. I don't know what this sort of urban blight is. Up ahead we have Port of Olympia. They keep expanding their lumber yard. It's hard to even grasp how huge it is. But I'll try to bring you in on it. And then over here, they just wiped out a wetland I'd filmed a few years back. This was a wetland. It had an albino bird on it. There was a bird specialist coming down and watching it every day, and where it was is where all of these metal girders are, or whatever they tend to call these things that they make that destroy Mother Earth. That destroy Mother Earth. Look at that. Look at all of that. Talk about the shame and the destruction and the horribleness of it all. How we can just sit here and allow them to just destroy our beautiful earth. Look at how far back that goes. Way, way back. All the way back, and look what's coming here. Look what's coming. Olympia's claim to fame. This church just went under, and I have to say I'm happy about it. I did not like, if you can see, the chain link fence and all the traffic here. And this is where the traffic comes for the horrible logging trucks. In fact, there's one coming just now. So all the poor children playing here had to face that, and there was a scandal that happened with that, and it's a little bit risque, so I won't mention it on this particular video. Something the minister said about what female body parts were for, something on that line. But look at that. It's just bizarre how the city health department would allow for children. Here, you'll see this. I've seen this for years now. It's so great to finally have a camera and photograph this. It's great to see it without the children. Here we go. See, now here is the forest, and it's coming down. Yet another one of these awful logging trucks. This one's coming off the highway. It's shooting down Plum. We also have them going through town. We have them coming in all sorts of horrible ways. And look how they just sit there on the corner. A lot of times they puff their smoke. You can see that child slide right there. Oh my God, those kids must have just been breathing it in. I mean, listen to how loud this is. It's just, and there's the slide. There's the little kiddie slide. So if it wasn't for the minister, you know, talking about what his body part was for and what women's body parts were for, you know, in a way we could say thank God for that, you know, or else these children would still be subject to that. And that shows basically the absurdity and the insanity of our laws and how we care about Earth and how we care about children. Here, this one's going to be going for some more. He'll be back in just a few. Today, everywhere I go, there is a logging truck. Lord almighty me, where is this one coming from? Oh my goodness. Well, once again, at least that church down there had to shut down so those children don't have to breathe in the fumes, but it certainly didn't have to shut down with my concerns about pollution regarding the children. No, it just closed down because the minister said that his penis was made to be warmed or something like that by vaginas. Something just odd. But thank goodness that the children can breathe now, everybody, because they couldn't before. And we had a wonderful woman who was talking about asthma the other night and how terrible the asthma was. Now let's just, you know, say a prayer. Say a prayer for the trees. Say a prayer for the trees. Look at those big old growths on there. That's big stuff. Don't let them lie to you. Let's get some up close. Let's take a look at these. Let's really get a good look. Yeah. Nice. Those are big logs. Those are big logs.